Everyone has bad days. Don't give up. Pause, rest, reset, restart. But never quit. Always pick yourself up and keep going. Our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time. Way seems impossible until it's done. If you fall behind, run faster. Never surrender and raise up against the odds. If one dream should fall and break into 1,000 pieces, never be afraid. Pick one of those pieces up and begin again. There are always tough times, regardless of what you do in anything in life. Be able to push through those times and maintain your ultimate goal. Many of life's failures are people who did not realize how close they were to success when they gave up. If you don't see yourself as a winner, then you cannot perform as a winner. Winners are not people who never fail, but people who never quit, never stop trying, never stop believing, never give up. Your day will come.